If you are planning to update your Snapchat email, here's a simple guide to do it. To start off, launch the Snapchat app on your device. Once you are in, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner. Following that, press the settings icon in the top right corner. Now go to My Account at the very top. Then choose Email. At this stage, you will see the email linked to your account. Simply remove it and type in the new email address you want to use. As soon as you finish, hit the Save button to confirm the update. Right after that, Snapchat will ask you to enter your password for verification. Just enter the password and hit Continue. Now Snapchat will send a verification email. Now open your Mail app. Finally, hit the Confirm Email button to complete the process. And there you go. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials.